So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create viral Instagram reels in Canva. And I'm not talking about those basic templates that anyone uses. This is the exact workflow that creators use to get real reach. You can follow this on both laptop and mobile. I will show you everything step by step on my laptop. If this video helps you, hit the like button and let's get straight to the tutorial. So first step is open canva.com and click on this create button here and search Instagram reel and click on this Instagram reel. The video dimension is 1080x1920 pixel. Or if you didn't find this, you can click on this custom size and set the video size manually 1080 width and 1920 height. This vertical size is the standard for Reels, Shorts or TikTok. If your canvas is wrong, your reel will never look professional. So fix that first. Click on Create Design button. Now it's time to add your footage. So go to Upload tabs here. You can import your video from here. Click on Upload Files. Select your video and this will upload your video. If you don't have your own clip, you can use Canva huge library. You can find royalty-free videos here in this tab. Go to videos. Here you can find many royalty-free videos that you can use for your videos. Search for your niche, anything, marketing. Here you will find many videos, royalty-free videos, and click on the video, any video, and drag it on the canvas. So I am uploading a video. So the video is uploaded. Just click on the video. And yes, you will be business in 2024. We have at least 5 to 7 hours. This is your video. Don't worry about the music yet, background music yet. You will do that later because that part decides whether your reels goes viral or dies. So let me crop this video first, like this, and increase the size of the video to fill the canvas. So you can see your video is on canvas now, and to see the timeline just go to here and click on this duration button. So you can see your video on timeline. So rule number 1 of virally is no boring part should be in the video. So you have to trim the boring part. So to trim any part of the video, just suppose I have to trim this part. So move your playhead where you want to cut the clip and press S on your keyboard. See? Use as much as shortcuts so your workflow will be fast. And click here, move your playhead here and press S. So this part is useless. So I am going to delete this. So you can see any dead movement in the video, just split and delete. Because Instagram users scroll fast. You have 1.3 seconds to hook them. So use it wisely. Now it's time to add some text on your video. So go to the text tab here. Click on this text and click if you want to add a heading. Add a heading. Add a short headline, maximum 2 to 3 words. So start here, BNB business. Right? Use big fonts, high contrast. This is how you grab attention instantly. So you can go to effects to add effects like this. See? Or you can use any effect you want. These are the effects. You can change the color of the background of your text. You can reduce the roundness of the text, spread like this. There are multiple settings that you can change and make your text more attractive. I am only saying this to show the sample. So don't write long sentences. Nobody reads paragraphs in Reel. You can also animate these text. Click here, go to animate, and this is how you can animate. Multiple animation style are here. choose any you want. Now it's time to add some elements in your video. For that, just go to this Elements tab here, click on this. Here you can search elements like arrow, emojis or circle, whatever helps the viewer focus on the main point. Because these small things increase the watch time because they guide the eye. So let me add some elements.
2024.
In 2024, I will add a text in 2024 and an arrow. So click on element and search arrow. You can see here graphics, there are lots more arrow. Click on see all to see more arrows here. You can see there are many arrows design here. And pro tip, use animated sticker for extra motion. Motion keeps the viewer watching and more watch time is equal to more reach. So to search animated elements, just go to here and press here. Click on this animation tab and click animated. Now it will show animated arrows. See? So let me choose one. I'm going to choose this one. You can resize it and rotate it. You can also flip it here. Go to flip vertically. To add text, go to text tab, add text 2024. You can change the color of your text from text color. I'm showing this only for demo purpose. You can create a better design. So this is how you can add elements to your videos. And you can set the time of this element.
You can scale an Airbnb business.
In 2024. Here, click arrow. Here.
Scale an Airbnb business in 2024. If you have at least.
This is how you can add animated elements in your videos to increase your watch time. Now without music, the video is boring. So to add music, you can go to here, audio tab, and here you will see many audios. You can choose a track that matches your vibe. If you want completely safe music, use YouTube audio library. Also add some sound effects like clicks, whoops and pops. You can search the sound effect also. Search sound effect. See, here many sound effects. Choose sound effect. Pop effect. See, you can add these kind of effects. Let me add this one. Just drag and drop on a timeline.
Airbnb business in 2024.
See, this sounds good. These add energy and help you keep attention. Now your video is ready.
2023.
If you are creating faceless video and you don't want your voice to be added in your video, you can also use AI voice. You can click here and you can generate AI voice like I am Varun.
I am Varun.
See?
I am Varun.
Now it's time to add some caption here because caption is very important. If someone is watching your video in crowded area, they can easily understand what you are saying in your video. So to add caption, just go to this text tab and go to this apps, see all, and click on this caption craft. If it's not saying, just write caption and click on caption craft. Click on open. Now click on export and select the page. I want generate caption for both pages. So I have selected both. Click on export. See, your caption is generated. You can preview it here.
You're looking to start or scale an Airbnb business in 2024. If you have at least 5 to 7 hours a week to put into this, and you have
you can change the style of your subtitles like highlights.
At least 7-step framework for free, and how I was able to go from $0 to $300,000 to $20,000 a year.
You have seen this kind of caption in trending reels. You can also use this.
in revenue in my very first year of Airbnb arbitrage. Message me the word blueprint and I'll send it over absolutely free.
You can change the size,
If you're looking to
styles.
scale an Airbnb business,
A lot of settings are here that you can use to create amazing captions. So click on render. Your caption is rendered with your video. Now you can add it to your timeline here. Just click on this, add to design. Let me add this on this page. Click on this, add to design.
If you're looking to start or scale an Airbnb business in 2024, if you have at least 5 to 7 hours a week to put
Now let's see the video.
If you're looking to start or scale an Airbnb business in 2024, if you have at least 5 to 7 hours a week to put into this, and you have at least 7-step framework for free, and how I was able to go from zero to $320,000 a year in revenue in my very first year of Airbnb arbitrage. Message me the word blueprint and I'll send it over absolutely free.
I created this video only for demo purpose. I know it's not great, but you can create amazing video from the information that I have shared it in this video. Now you can export this. Just delete this and export this one. Go to here, share and click download. You can select the quality, click download and your video will be downloaded. Now I want to share few upload strategy that help your reel to go viral. When uploading video, write a short description and add 5 to 7 relevant hashtags. But the main thing is your first 3 seconds must be perfect, because Instagram judges your reel in the first 200 views. If people stay, it goes viral. If they skip, it's dead. And that's how you create viral Instagram reels using Canva. If this video helped you, drop a comment viral so I know you reached till the end of this video. And subscribe because I upload real creator tutorials, not recycled stuff.